This video is all about the different animals in both English and in Hiligaynon. The first one is, in English, it's a cat, and in Hiligaynon, it can either be a meow, kuring, or kuding. Cat, meow, kuring, kuding. In English, it's a dog, and in Hiligaynon, it can either be an ayam or an ido. Dog, ayam, ido. In English, it's a chicken, and in Hiligaynon, it's manok. Chicken, manok. In English, it's a hen, and in Filipino, it's a munga. Hen, munga. In English, it's a rooster, and in Hiligaynon, it's sulog. Rooster, sulog. We also have a pig in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's a baboy. Pig, baboy. It's a cow in English, and baka in Hiligaynon. Cow, baka. In English, it's a bird, and in Hiligaynon, it's a pispis. Bird, pispis. In English, it's a chick, and in Hiligaynon, it's a piso. Chick, piso. In English, it's a lion, and in Hiligaynon, it's a leon. Lion, leon. In English, it's a horse, and in Hiligaynon, it's a kabayo. Horse, kabayo. In English, it's a carabao, and in Hiligaynon, it's a karbao. Carabao, karbao. In English, it's a goat, and in Hiligaynon, it's a kanding. Goat, kanding. We also have a tiger in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's a tigre. Tiger, tigre. In English, it's an elephant, and in Hiligaynon, it's an elepante. Elephant, elepante. It's a deer in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an usa. Deer, usa. It's a monkey in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an amo. Monkey, amo. It's a sheep in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's a carnero. Sheep, carnero. We also have a bat in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's a kabog. Bat, kabog. In English, it's a rat, and in Hiligaynon, it's an ilaga. Rat, ilaga. In English, it's a duck, and in Hiligaynon, it's a pato. Duck, pato. We also have an eagle in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an agila. Eagle, agila. In English, it's an ant, and in Hiligaynon, it's a subay. Ant, subay. In English, it's a spider, and in Hiligaynon, it's a damang. Spider, damang. We also have a cockroach in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an ipis. Cockroach, ipis. A turkey in English, and a pabo in Hiligaynon. Turkey, pabo. In English, it's a crocodile, and in Hiligaynon, it's a buaya. Crocodile, buaya. A turtle in English is bao in Hiligaynon. Turtle, bao. It's a snake in English, and a manog in Hiligaynon. Snake, manog. In English, it's a frog, and in Hiligaynon, it's a paka. Frog, paka. It's a butterfly in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an alibangbang. Butterfly, alibangbang. In English, it's a grasshopper, and in Hiligaynon, it's a maramara. Grasshopper, maramara. In English, it's a mosquito, and in Hiligaynon, it's lamok. Mosquito, lamok. Dragonfly in English, and tumbak-tumbak or 𝗧𝗔𝗢𝗙𝗓 in Hiligaynon. Dragonfly, tumbak-tumbak or 𝗧𝗔𝗢𝗓. In English, it's a bee, and in Hiligaynon, it's a buyog. Bee, buyog. We also have a firefly in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an ipot-ipot. Firefly, ipot-ipot. A goose in English is gansa in Hiligaynon. Goose, gansa. We call it as a worm in English, worm, and in Hiligaynon, it's alago. Worm, lago. It's a crab in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's an alimango. Crab, alimango. We also have a shark in English, and in Hiligaynon, it's a bagis. Shark, bagis. In English, it's a shrimp, and in Hiligaynon, it's a pasayan. Shrimp, pasayan. A squid in English is locos in Hiligaynon. Squid, locos. A fish in English is isda in Hiligaynon. Fish, isda. In English, it's a whale, and in Hiligaynon, it's a balyena. Whale, balyena. A sea turtle in English is pawikan in Hiligaynon. Sea turtle, pawikan. And that is all about our lesson for today, which is all about the common animals in English and Hiligaynon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.